This is a black book. It's really old. It's from the 1900s. Right at the end though, like circa 1995. Anyway, they were big and cumbersome, shared amongst your respective crew, and when carried under the arm at school, a wink and a nod for those in the know. But essentially it's just a sketchbook. It doesn't need to be any specific size or shape. It doesn't even need to be black. Although I'm sure it would exclaim loud that it's black and it's proud. It's been a long time since I've dabbled with drawing like this, but I always circle back to it. Whenever I'm visiting a new city, checking out the art on the walls is always a priority. It almost happens second nature. I have a weird sense of pride when I see a writer scorching a burner in a heaven spot. Ooh, graffiti lingo. Anyway, I'm making my own black book. And not doing such a great job showing you how, but not to worry, I'll be uploading a longer video showing you every single step in a new series I'm calling Just the Make, which will be kind of an ASMR thing, literally just showing you the camera running as I make a thing. They will more than likely be a ride-along video to another, more engaging, speaky type video, like this one. So I'm making yet another notebook to add to my collection, but this one is in preparation for another, bigger project I have planned, but I need to build my drawing skills back up first. So this bigger project actually splintered off a few videos I need to make before getting to the actual project. Psst, you'll get a little sneak peek at the end. I'm going to paint, weather, and do graffiti all over a New York City subway car. A model of one, I mean. The subways, once a moving heaven spot that would get your pieces seen all over the city, are now a gleaming and clean metal tube devoid of what some would call characteristically New York. I'm doing a quick and dirty pamphlet bind for this notebook, but also wanted to do some spine detailing and corner rounding to evoke a composition notebook, schoolhouse notebook kind of thing, you know what I mean? This piece of vinyl contact paper will change the look of the sketchbook, but also cover up all the stitching, giving it a crispy, clean look. But you could also just do it with tape or something. The pages have a blank subway car illustration I found online to help me with the size constraints of the physical model. I'll be doing another video showing some working design concepts for the subway model, and then eventually I'll tackle the real thing. Speaking of the thing, roll the thing.